Good morning, Arleon families. This is Miss Jennifer here, and today we are on another day of STEAM for our summer. And today we're going to be doing something, a repeat of that you saw with Miss Sharon a few summers ago. Today it's going to be something to do with balloons. And I wonder what we're going to be doing. Maybe you can jog our memory while we do it. So what you're going to need is you're just going to need some balloons, a container. It can be a recycled container. I got one out of my recyclable. You're going to need some vinegar here. And then you're going to need some baking soda, as well as a funnel and a 1 teaspoon for your baking soda. All right. As well as a bunch of balloons if I didn't say that. So now first what we're going to do is we're going to fill our balloon. So what we're going to do is wrap our balloon around the bottom of the funnel so that we can get our baking soda in it. So let's stretch this out and get our balloon wrapped around it. Perfect. So now, got it, fill it. We got it wrapped around. So now we are going to fill it up. So you're going to need is 4 teaspoons of baking soda. So I got my baking soda here. We're going to fill it up 4 teaspoons. So here we go. Oops. 1. Oops. It'll get a little bit messy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, that's there you go. So we got 4 here. And now, after that is done, make sure it's all in there. I'm going to take it off our funnel. Perfect. There we go. We'll set our funnel aside. So now we got our baking soda in our balloon. So I'm going to set that aside for now, as we're going to get our vinegar now. So you're going to take your bin here, your little bottle that you're going to use, and you're going to dump in some vinegar. You can add however you'd like to your bottle. It says 1/3 of a cup, but you can put as much as you'd like. Make sure this doesn't. There's some baking soda in it still. Okay, here we go. We're going to dump a little bit in. And it's heavy. I think that's a good amount to start with. Perfect. Oh, I have a little bit more actually. Perfect. There we go. I'll set my funnel aside now. And now we are going to, put on our balloon. So now next is we're going to wrap the tip of our balloon here just around the tip of this. Not for the baking soda to fall in, but just for it to wrap around it. So let's get it all around there. Sometimes if your balloons can't, you would probably want to find a smaller bottle that can properly wrap around the lid. Because mine's kind of big here. So hopefully it'll do that. Perfect. So like that. Here we go. So mine's all wrapped around. So now the next thing to do is to dump it in. So let's see how much it's going to go. And it's going to fill and fill and fill. I'm kind of scared it's going to pop, not going to lie. And what's happening? Okay, it stopped. Woo! Scared Miss Jennifer. You might want to do this outside, my friends, as well, as it might get a little bit messy if it does pop. But so what is happening right now, my friends, is as soon as the baking soda hits the vinegar, a chemical reaction takes place that produces carbon dioxide. And this is a gas. So the gas is filling up inside of our balloon from our baking soda and our vinegar. And this is what inflates the balloon. And isn't that amazing, my friends, how cool it is? I would try more, as I got still some in here, but I'm not sure how big my balloon can get. So I think I'm just going to keep it as it is. But look how cool that is, my friends. Look at that. And it's still fizzing at the bottom, our vinegar. Very cool. But yes, my friends, that is our experiment. You can add more or less of your vinegar or baking soda to see the reaction. So if you add less vinegar and maybe a little bit less, it might go smaller, your balloon, or bigger. So mine got pretty big for it, and it stands up on its own. Isn't that cool? All right. But that is it, my friends, for our little experiment today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys at our next STEAM session next Friday. See you guys. Bye.